Alright, episode 2. A look at the GUI, graphic user interface. New one there. Okay, once you're into the dashboard, I actually just created this earlier, like a new Prezi. So I clicked on new presentation. I then stuck in tech prediction plus my name. Good idea to do that at the start, just so you keep it nice and neat. Then, after that, if you click the edit button, it will load up your chosen template. You can see it's lightning quick here. A good old VPN working overtime. Actually, you don't need a VPN for Prezi, but my internet was quite slow yesterday. And we're going to look at the graphic user interface at the top, so like the file, edit, insert, view, and so on. I'm just clicking on file there to show you the save button, which even though there's autosave enabled, I still click on save or use the command and S key. That was just to show details as well, so if you have people working on it with you, it'll show their name. And then this goes back to the dashboard, where you can launch or open up your different Prezis. Okay, in the edit you've got cut, copy, paste, of course, and all those other ones you would find in there. The insert's probably more interesting because you've got other features. Now the charts feature and the audio, you can't use them unless you upgrade. Additionally, video, you can't upload video, but you can embed if you've got a YouTube channel, you can upload to YouTube and then embed a video or just copy and paste a link. You've also got these icons here, symbols, which can either match a light or a dark theme. Regardless, they've all got transparent backgrounds. So you can have a little play around in there. I've just clicked on this first one, which I'll delete in a second. So that's the YouTube feature there. If you do click on upload file, like I said, it will ask you to upgrade, which is fair enough. Certainly have a play around with embedding YouTube URLs if you want. Text, it's quite useful later on, but at the start I just use the default for my title there, the advancements. You've also got animation. Again, there's some basic animations in here really. It's like zooming in and zooming out and telling it where to zoom in and zoom out. But we can cover that later on. However, I did not use a lot of this, to be honest. I just wanted to focus on content. So I'm just previewing it there, just to show you what it looks like. You can also hide the animation side menu or activate it to view it, up to you. Disable spell check as well if you want to do that for some reason. Also, you got your presenting options here, so you can test your Prezi to see what it looks like, and a useful help section too, which brings up you to the FAQ section of Prezi, which is underused but is very useful, I think. Just have a little play around here. Wow, how can we help you? Thanks, Prezi. You can help me with my amazing presentation. Because I'm looking up animation, for example, and there's all these different categories you've got. And there you go. Okay, so just moving back to Prezi user interface. Just having another look at the help menu there, but I mean you can expand it or just collapse it by pressing the little downward facing arrow. And actually these are the first steps that you can also use in Prezi. Certainly by all means, if it is the first time you're using Prezi, crack on and have a little look around there. They're super short and they load up real quick. There's no lag on there, and I think they're useful as well. Just the last part on the graphic user interface, I mean, not the last part, but the last part I'm going to talk about is the text. Quite easy to use. You got your presets there on the left. And then beside that, you can just choose a different font for your text. Pretty decent list. And then you've got your font size, decrease and increase, bold, italic, font color, and also if you want to put like a background on the text as well, you can do that. Pretty standard stuff that you would find in any presentation programmer package, I suppose. Yeah, just playing around with your theme and standard colors. You've also got that little custom color at the bottom, so you can have a look at adding hexadecimal codes. If you want to find out what that means, by all means do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the overview of the graphic user interface in Prezi.